Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. As a test automation engineer, I know that test automation is a key part of software delivery today. It's what enables you to deliver quickly, smoothly, and safely into production. But there's something more important that you need to know. As a test automation engineer, your key skill is not knowing how to use tools to automate software testing. Your key skill is to help the business deliver the features they need more quickly, more reliably, and more safely. Your key skill is helping the business understand what they need to deliver and helping that become a reality. And automation is a part of that, but you are not the only person who needs to do the automation. You are not the only person who needs to bear that burden, so to speak. If you can collaborate with the teams, if you can get developers doing unit testing that lines up with the acceptance criteria, that can form a continuous feedback cycle from acceptance criteria down through integration, unit testing, all of that, driving through the requirements and getting your value out the door faster and more reliably, then that's a winner. Your key skills are not necessarily related to knowing every automation tool on the planet. The most powerful thing you can know, in my experience, is how to get people to collaborate more effectively, how to get people to understand requirements and to talk about them in a more structured manner. If you can nail that, then the automation side can flow very naturally. But if you try and focus too much on the automation side initially, without that collaboration, without that facilitation side, without understanding the business needs, then you'll just get yourself into a mess of building a very complex automation framework that no one needs. So never forget that your key power, your superpower, if you like, is to help business get their needs into production faster, not to master any particular tool. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for listening.